들어서 이제 BTS 분들과 또 다른 많은 아티스트 분들, 배우분들, 좋은 작품들 덕분에 한국의 위상이 더 높아진 거를 체감하고 있습니다. K-컬처의 매력이라고 하면 역시 한국 특유의 그런 문화라든지 정서, 정 같은 거 있잖아요. 그런 것들이 돋보이는 순간순간들인 것 같아요.
I think that the charm of Korean culture is how long-lasting it is and how continuous it has been and how different traditions have been able to be passed down from way back when. And
Oh yes, I admire Bora because I saw her in a documentary by ARMY, and I really want to join her class, and I think this is a good opportunity. And although disabled, I think all other parts of our body can still move and dance.
So, I didn't really know much about K-culture before I came here, but I really like the food and I like the way of life here, like that we are always on the streets and there's so much street markets, and yeah, it's very different from Germany. Yeah, and hiking. We've been hiking to the Hallasan, that was our highlight here.
the same in Russia. Korean culture is very popular now, and so many people enjoy Korean dramas, K-pop, and also Korean people. Yeah, because in Russia, in Vladivostok especially, there are lots of Koreans. They live there and sharing culture and traditional.
I'm following a lot of Korean YouTubers, so I saw a lot of those vlogs and the videos about Jeju, about Seoul, about Busan, and I was really impressed by the culture, by the nature, and so I thought I need to see that live.